Well, I guess last Thursday was a rare day with very little wind and just a very light breeze. Today it's really windy again. I mean, it's usually like 30-mile-an-hour wind here for some reason. I don't know where it's coming from. The wind's coming from the south, but so it's kind of behind me. But as soon as I head west or east, man, it broadsides you. So you can see the trees blowing. That's kind of why I'm just heading north, and then I come back and I head south, so it'll be right into it. But put gas in. I checked my mileage. I'm getting about 33.5 miles per gallon. On a Trike, that's not too bad. But see, I ride a lot of doing this like on the highway and set the cruise control, and I don't ride around town, you know, because I just don't like to. It's not my thing. I just get on the highway and head somewhere for a few hours or all day. But anyway, bye. Well, it's looking a little dark up here. I might have to turn around. You know, all the trips we've taken since we've got this bike, probably 15, 16, 17, probably the last 3 years, we never really run into any rain except I think probably the first year. We were in New Mexico, and it was a perfectly good day, and we just saw one storm cloud, just one cloud. It wasn't like the whole sky. We saw one cloud over that way, and it kind of blew in really fast, and honest to God, the wind got so strong, my wife was freaking out. She thought the wind was just going to blow us over. It was that windy, and it started raining, but it wasn't raining down. It was raining vertical because the wind was so strong. It was just kind of blowing at us. So my wife was freaking out. She was scared to death. So I kind of found a gas station way out in the middle of nowhere, and by that time she was soaked. But we put our rain gear on and just kind of waited for that really strong sideways rain to pass, and it was just one cloud. I've never seen that before in my life. I'm gonna have to turn around. I'm gonna get poured on. I didn't think it was even supposed to rain today. We're supposed to get rain this weekend, but not today. I didn't think. Well, I'm traveling too, so I might have to do a U-ey and head back home. Anyway, been pretty lucky about rain traveling. Since we're heading up northeast, you know, up towards, so we're going to stop in Branson and maybe see a show or so, and then head to the Ozarks and, you know, mess around the Ozarks for a little while. Never been there. And then we'll head up to see some family in Illinois. Spend a couple days up there and stay off the bike for a little while. My wife always likes that. But anyway, I'm gonna have to turn around. I don't want to get soaked. Look at the wind. Look at the flags. Crap, so windy. Anyway, bye.